Maker Faire Trieste returns on May 10th and 11th in Piazza Unità, showcasing innovation and technology with free entry. Organized by ICTP and the Municipality of Trieste, the event features hands-on demonstrations, experiments, and exhibits for all ages. New this year are Science Picnic with Physics Meets Pop Culture show by Gabriella Grison and Fante Maker, exploring science in film and TV.
We have many science institute, high formation, high educational, but we want to speak to the people about this element and about this value.
ICTP is very happy to be part of the organization of Maker Faire. We have been organizing it since the beginning.
We, as Trieste Science Plus Fiction Festival, we are involved in this year in the edition of Maker Faire to organize some collateral events